Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, we came back to you, my friend, to another video. So, if you are not subscriber, you watching us now the first time. I'm talking to you now watching me. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and to help us to growing up more the channel. As you see, us we still very small channel, so please help us to growing up more the channel. So let's start our Bitcoin analysis of today, my friend. So as you see, my friend, what the Bitcoin give us here, he being close with us here, he give us here like a wedge like that, or you can do something else from here like that, and here in the top you doing like that a triangle. So that one is a triangle, my friend. Now we need to wait in where it's going to be broken. If it's going to give us here a accumulation level like that, then after that it will going up and it's going to be a very good scenario. So let's wait in the coming days was going to bring for us, because in the 4 hours it give me a buying signal. Here in the daily it's still not yet as you see it, my friend, because tomorrow there is news coming. So even if it give me now a buying signal, I will not buy it, because I'm going to be honest with you. Tomorrow is going to come non-farm payroll. So if you been in the trading for some time, you know what my non-farm payroll. So let's zoom in here to see what the price telling us. So here, my friend, as you see it, what the price telling you here. Here, as you see it, my friend, today that candle finished that one, and it's finished as a PM bar. But as you see the volume of it down here, look at it, the volume down here, it's not that big, my friend. Even if it indicate for you here the PM bar, but the volume down is not bigger. That's what I told you. Even if it give you now a buying signal, don't buy, because professional people, they know what they're doing. They are not amateurs. They know what they're doing in that world, and when they enter, they know why they enter. Everything is too clear, my friend. So as I tell it to you, look at it here. Look at the volume is lower, but the candle here, it indicates a pin bar. So that one is not a buying signal yet. It's still time, my friend. It's still more time. You need to wait in more. And here, he tried to give you here a small wage, but it's not yet. It might that one just a flag, another flag. It will do it like that, then after that it's going to break it. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. I'm talking about those ones. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here you see my friend, our indicator, what it's telling us. If you remember what I told you before, I told you, look at it very careful with me. Here, that one is a trend. We draw it before, that one, that white one. That one. But look at the price, what it done here. Here in that level, that zone here, it hasn't break it yet. The last high is it that one. That one is the last high, my friend. The last low is it that one. So what the price give you here? The price he tried to give you here like a flag. So if you came from here, that one is a flag, my friend. As you see it, you just need to close here is a flag. So now what you need to do, you need to wait in. If it's going to break in for you up, you enter up till here. If it's breaking for you low, you enter low till here, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. Also explain to you. And no, my friend, our analysis is more in-depth analysis. It's not for everyone. That way, I told you every time follow us. Also, we give you professional analysis, not fibs. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and help us smash the like button. I want that video to reach at least to 40 likes, my friend. Help us to growing up more that channel. So it's going to see more, my friend. What is it there? Here, my friend, as you see that our other indicator, it's still here, not yet become red like this. So it's still for it more room to fall down, my friend. Remember my word. I tell you all those things before, so make a close eye at those things. And here in the chart, my friend, if you see something very, very, very important here. What did I told you about those candles here? I'm talking about those candles here. And that white one is a long-term trend, that one. I show it to the people, they follow me in the previous videos. So you, if you just came, you can go back and watch that long-term trend. Look here very well with me, my friend. What happening here in that zone here, that green candle of yesterday, that trend line, when it's being broken, it's acting here like a resistance. Here in that zone, it's acting like a resistance. Then it came that candle here, the green one, and in that trend line here, the trend line is still acting like a resistance. When you're going to be sure all that it's being broken, my friend, when the price came and break for you the last high is it that one, my friend. Look at it, that one is the last high. Not the right time for you to buy, my friend. Till now there is nothing. Yes, the market now is going to take long, but the market now it's make like an accumulation that the chart phase now of the down, and he make the first one up. Now we are in the second one. The second one it's need to give us like this. So let me change that color. Second one it's need to make like this for the market to go up. But till now there is nothing yet confirmed, my friend, so it needs to give us a W down now. May I show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. Look now, very careful with me, my friend. Something very important I'm going to tell it to you. No one can tell it to you actually free in the internet. Let me put it with you like that. So look at that the first phase, that one, from here till here, that the first phase. Second phase, where is it? Is it from here till here? That the second phase. The third phase, where it is it here, my friend? That the third phase. Now, after the third phase of every down market or every trend, there is one of two. It needs to break for us that last low, that one. Also, we're going to enter in the fourth phase. If it's not, he couldn't break it now. And here he will change to another thing, my friend. And now what you see in here, that one, that low here, the price he couldn't reach to it, so it might now he will give us another high. But when we are going to be sure all that is going to happen, when the market came here and give us here a W like that, or double bottom, my friend, it might that one just be in the bottom, my friend, and then he will go up and to give us here a W. Then we're going to be sure the market is going to return or to reverse high, my friend, till here again. So make a close eye at those things, my friend, I'm telling you here. So everything is too clear. Let me show you the fair and greed index for the picture should be more clear to you. Here, my friend, in the fair and greed index, something here very important, you need to look at it. You see in the previous here, in that zone here, hear me I'm talking about, when it touch in there, what happened in there? It stay ranging for some time, then it fall down to the lower here, then after that he go up. Where we are now, here, it shows the same thing, my friend. So you need to make a close eye if it's going to stay here ranging in that level. Then after that it's going to drop, or another thing, it might from there it's going to do like that, like how is it now here. Then after that it's going to go up. But as me I tell you every time, also we got two levels. Also we got, my friend, two levels. The first level here between 20 and 5 here, and it touched it before. Second level we got it here between 60 and 45 here, and it touched it when it reached there the last time here, the last high. So now let's see what's going to happen, my friend. Now you enter in a zone where you need to start buying. If you are an investor, that's the right time for you to start DCA, my friend. You don't know when it's going to reverse. Also, we give you analysis, we give you all those things, but we don't know when it's going to reverse. If it reverse, you need to make a close eye at the trend line we got here, my friend. That one. Look at it, where it started from here, here, and here. You need to make a close eye if it's going to break it or no. Even in the chart is the same thing. There is that trend line, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So when it's going to be broken, it's very easy, my friend. Also, we inform you every time. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button. I want that like button today to explode. You done it? Let's continue, my friend, to see what the chart telling us more. Here, my friend, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours, something very important here. That's what I told you before. It give me here a buying signal. As you see it, my friend, here. We show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, what the price done here, what it done here, he break in the trend line here. But even if he break it, the volume down is not that big, my friend. The volume down, it's still small. As you see it, my friend, the volume down here, it doesn't break. So it might that one just a false breakout. Then after that, it will going down inside, my friend. So make a close eye at those things. And here, in the 4 hours, as you see it, it's very clear here. That wedge or that triangle or anything, the names doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade it. As you see it, my friend, how is it here, what it being done in here. Touch here, touch here, touch here, touch the top here and here. Now the view, it might from here going back upward to touch here. Then we're going to see if it's going to break or not. So if it's reached till here, I think it's going to go till up here. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, what it's trying to do here. If you remember what else we said down here we got a divergence line like that, and it's being very clear in the chart. And here we said we got a trend line like that. Now what that indicator of us showing you here in that zone, my friend? Look at it very close with me. Here, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. What you see in here, my friend? Look, from here, like that, that's the trend line. Here, what happened here? It went up, he couldn't break it, he went up again. Now, he break it, he go back, he tested here, in that zone. Look at it very close in that zone here. What it doing? Here in that zone, what it doing, my friend? Here, by the way, the one the lower of the trend, as I tell it to you, like that. Here it's showing something very important. It's showing it will going up, but till now what we have here in that zone, we have a very stronger support level, my friend. So it's need to come here and to break it for us to enter in a long, my friend. As I tell it to you before, it's need to break for you the middle. If it doesn't break it for you, there is nothing, my friend. And repeat it, and I will say it again. Here, bears, they are in control. Here, the bulls, they are in control. And the wall between them. Till now, you're still in the control of the bears, my friend. Bears, it's mean the people, they want to sell. People, they want the price to fall down. The bulls, that's mean the people, they want the price to go up, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, there is nothing changed. As you see, it's still here at the oversold area. So there is nothing yet. Tell you we got here. Tell it's been breaking for you that level. That's the right time for you to enter. So now there is nothing about that one. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, there is something very important here happening. If you see here, like that, what that indicate to you? That one, it indicates, my friend, a cup and handle. Where is the top of it? Is it here? It's being broken, my friend, now, but it's showing here a stronger rejection at that level. And there is no volume down to push it more up. So what I'm thinking it's going to go back again. Then after that, maybe it's going to go upward, my friend. Let's see more what the 30 minutes telling us. Look at it now, what it's telling you here. Same thing like 4 hours, my friend. Here, look at it. And look here. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing complicated. Everything in front of you. Now what you need to wait in, that one to be broken up for you to enter long, or to fall down and to break for you low for you to enter short. So what now? There is no entry, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. It's being here at that level here. So now all of you making profit now. As you see it, my friend. Everything is on front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Here, look, here the first one, second one. He came back to it, third one, and he gave you here at the oversold area. So what you been waiting, my friend? By the way, to get that indicator is very easy. There is one video here in the channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to it in the description of that video. You're going to find the source code of that indicator. And in that video, we show you how to install that indicator, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. That's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.